What's up, guys? Today we're doing questions and answers with the CEO of AVEL Electronics, and we will answer the most common questions you ask in the comments of the videos. How well are AVEL wall TVs protected from water?
Well, we have passed IPX4 test and we got the certificate accordingly. So our laboratory has checked our TV for waterproof protection grade, and it's protected from all the sides, back, top, front, all the sides from moisture, and it has IPX4 certificate now.
Can a built-in TV be installed in the bottom of the wall of the pool?
Actually not. Some of potential clients had this inquiry, and we examined the possibility, but we can say that our TVs are not ready to be installed in the bottom or in the side of the wall under the water, but they are okay to integrate in a wall, let's say in the swimming pool recreation area, or somewhere in the area, but not under the water.
Yeah. Is it possible to install a TV in the steam room, baths, saunas, or hammam?
Yes, it's absolutely fine. And recently we had another test for high temperature, and our TV was placed in another laboratory with a special stove to check if electronic equipment can work at high temperatures. And now we are pretty sure, and we also got testing report from them that our TVs they can work at temperatures up to 60 and even up to 80 Celsius.
Can the AVEL built-in waterproof TV be installed outdoors?
As we mentioned in the previous question, for the temperatures it's okay, and for the upper temperature is 60 or 80 Celsius, and the lower temperature is 0. So our TV's working temperature range is from 0 to 60 or even to 80. But what is important to mention is that there is a reflection. If there are sunlight, direct sunlight coming to the front of the TV, then you will definitely see reflection, because the front face of all the TVs is the real glass. So if you consider to install a TV outdoor, then you shall keep in mind the reflection issue and make some shade or whatever to keep the TVs in the shadow.
Do built-in TVs have built-in speakers?
Yes, our TVs has integrated speakers in the bottom now, and these are special vibration or impedance speakers. They work through the glass, make it shaking, and we have quite good and full range sound now.
Are there only mirror TVs in the range available, or are there other colors of the built-in waterproof TVs?
Now we have mirror as the standard, and we also have white frame and black frame options. So you may check all the colors, all the options on our website, and you can choose. It can be mirror, like you see here in our showroom, or it can be white frame or black frame option.
If you install such a TV in a large room with a pool, is it possible to connect additional acoustics?
Yes, we have two options to transmit sound to some external speakers. The first one is HDMI ARC for cable connection. Most of modern amplifiers has ARC input via HDMI cable. And the second option of our 2021 year series is Bluetooth. So Now we have updated all the big size TVs, and they have Android on board, and they can transmit via Bluetooth.
Will I be able to embed such a TV by myself?
Yes, if you have some special knowledge and tools. Actually, you may check some videos. We have a lot of videos on our YouTube channel how other guys install our TVs, and we do have installation manual. It comes with a TV, and we have videos that show step by step all the procedure. But if you are not a professional, we still recommend to find some guys who can do it well, especially if you consider real in-wall installation with preparing a niche and wiring electrical cables, mains and antenna cable. So yes and no, depending on the skills.
Can the AVEL waterproof TV be mounted on a standard VESO mount?
We have all our TVs has the VESO standard installation, so no problem to install it on VESO. But for me personally, I think that it's better to have it embedded like this, then it looks much better. But if the renovation is complete and you have your room finished, but still want to use a waterproof TV, then yes, you can just found a universal VESO wall mount and fix our TV, no problem.
Will the built-in mirror TV be damaged if it is shipped to other cities or countries?
Well, I can say that we have very strong carton boxes now, and there is another video, you may check it. We have made our own drop test and simulated international standards for safety while transportation by courier delivery. So our packing is good, and I must say that our products are ready for international courier delivery.
Is it possible to install the TV in the mirror or the whole wall or in the door of the wardrobe?
Yes, this year we had more inquiries for some custom-made, tailor-made mirrors, and we have a special open frame series now, so you may check our website and find open frame or tailor-made products and check what we can do.
How much will it cost to deliver a built-in moisture-resistant TV in the mirror to other countries?
Now we have free international delivery. It goes by DHL or TNT, and it's free for the customer.
How to become a partner of AVEL and get a wholesale price list for moisture-resistant built-in TVs?
We have become a reseller page on our website, aviselectronics.com, and you may just fill a form or send your inquiry via email.
And what is the warranty for built-in waterproof TVs?
We provide 2-year full warranty for all the products. So you may be pretty sure the TV will work well and stable.
What if the built-in TV is broken or out of order?
All right, we have some tips in our user manual. If it doesn't help, you may reach us. We'll find out the situation. And if there is a reseller, if there is a local reseller in your country, you can reach them and ask for the warranty service. If there is no local partner at the moment, then we will assist you from our factory from China.
And finally, what if you accidentally break the front glass panel of your mirror TV?
Well, unfortunately, it happens. And in this case, the only solution is to change the whole front glass with a mirror, with a metal frame. It's quite simple. It's not so difficult. But we, of course, we have to send the new glass, which is integrated with the metal frame already, and you may replace it at your site.
Today we have answered the most common questions you guys asked in the comments to the previous videos, and if you have any questions left, please ask them down below and we will try and answer them. Thank you, Max, for giving your time today.
Thank you, Phil.
Thank you guys, and goodbye.
Bye bye.